And Scotland too has known that push, that pull. Scotland too has been riven by war. It was centuries ago, and Duncan, the elderly and gentle king of the Scots, had been receiving news of disaster after disaster.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain?
Dismayed not this our captains, Banquo and MacBeth?
To which the wounded soldier said, "I dismayed, as eagles are dismayed by sparrows. Who are these creatures that seem not like the inhabitants of the earth and yet are on't?"
Greater than MacBeth, yet not so great. Not so happy, yet much happier.
Stars, hide thy fires. Let not light see my black and deep desires. Thou art too full of the milk of human kindness to catch the nearest way. Really? At that moment a servant came and said, brought the news that King Duncan and his party were coming to Dunsinane. They are mad to say it, but it was true. This must be fate, right? Destiny, right? Come, thick night, and pour thee in the dunnest smoke of hell, that my keen knife see not the wound it make.
Oh, this castle hath a pleasant seat. Oh, your majesty, welcome.
We will proceed no further with this business. Was the hope drunk wherein you dressed yourself, and hath it slept since? I mean, MacBeth could deal with the Lord of the Isles, but wife? Not a chance. And she supplied the plan of action. Is this a dagger I see before me? The handle towards my hand? Come, let me clutch thee. Lady MacBeth realized she needed to intervene to save the day.
Oh!
I tell you what, it worked. And he strode forcefully forward. Ah!
Well, darling, you've succeeded in killing the party at least.
Where's your husband? Somewhere you won't find him. Got a wild one here. My friend, be strong. Be strong. Take your pain and make of it a blade. Take your burning tears and make of them a burning thirst for vengeance against MacBeth. Or she should have died hereafter. There would have been a time for such a word. Tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from day to day until the last syllable of recorded time. And from horizon point to horizon point, MacBeth saw armed men and